Let's try to understand about the diversity in living world. What does mean by diversity in living world? You can see there are different animals are present on our earth. We can see the plants, animals, microorganisms, they all are living on the earth. When we talk about only animals condition, only the category of the animals, we will call it as a zoology. Here what we can say, the ICZN International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, who is responsible for the giving all the animal species. Okay, like Homo sapiens is for human beings. So this is name given by the ICZN. And here we also need to know there are some organisms which are having the cell. We call it as a living. If any organism which is comes under the without cell, there is no cell is present, we call it as a non-living. You can say all the objects like your phone, your earpods, your books, your pen, everything will comes under the non-living because it does not contain any kind of cell. Also, we must need to understand there are some unicellular and some are multicellular organism present. What does mean by multicellular and unicellular means? In unicellular, the cell will be only present in the single form. But in the multicellular, we can say there are different types of cells and many cells are forming one particular organism called as a multicellular. Here when we try to understand hierarchy of the classification, the similar organisms comes under the hierarchy of the classification where we will cover about the 7 category. We are dividing it into the 7 category in this condition. You can see the 7 categories are nothing but first one kingdom, second one is phylum, and third one is class and order, family, genus, and species. So we can say the so many species are together. Okay, these all are species who can do interbreeding, and they all will come under the what? They all comes under the genus category. When we try to understand, many genus are present here. This is this. All genus are present here. They all comes under the family category. Okay, this is our family category. Many families like here you can see there is a family also present where the many species are present. These together called as a order. Vice versa, class and phylum kingdom also divided. When we try to understand about the kingdom point of view, the kingdom is nothing but there are all multicellular organisms comes under the kingdom category. So here we can see the kingdom, phylum, then class, then order, family, genus, species will get categorized so that whenever we study or researchers are studying, they can easily identify any organism and they can study about it and they will not get mug up of the concept. I hope you like it. Please do